Hello here, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is a complete guide on how to monetize on YouTube if you are not on the list of YouTube monetization countries. This implies that the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, is not available to creators from certain countries according to YouTube Partner Program availability. Those who are into producing content and desire to make a livelihood from it find this discouraging, but I will help you out with your worries today. Let's first look into why you are or why you might not able to monetize on YouTube. Then after that we will look into what you will need to do to monetize from an ineligible country like I did. The first factor preventing you from making money off of your YouTube channel is the fact that your country is not included in the list of countries that may monetize YouTube. This implies that you are unable to generate money via the YouTube Partner Program, which is the main source of income for YouTube creators. Keep a watch out for updates and adjustments as the list of YouTube monetization nations is continuously changing. The second reason you might not be able to monetize your YouTube channel is that you are not familiar with the procedure for doing so. In particular, for individuals who are unfamiliar with the platform, this procedure might be difficult to understand. However, it is feasible to navigate the procedure and begin making money from your material if you have the correct help and advice. To begin with, there is something everyone is getting totally wrong about this. When individuals says a country as not being eligible for YouTube monetization, they are referring to the fact that the country is not currently included on the list of countries that are permitted to use the service. As a result, if their views originate from these countries, creators in those countries are unable to make money. This is due to the fact that in the majority of these countries, AdSense doesn't display ads on videos in these countries. So first, if your country isn't eligible to monetize on YouTube, that's no problem, but you have to build an audience from different countries in case YouTube ads are not displaying on YouTube videos in your country. For example, I am monetized from an ineligible country on YouTube, which is Cameroon. If my views are only from Cameroon, then I won't make any money even if I am monetized because there are no ads running on YouTube videos in Cameroon. So, we watch YouTube videos here without seeing ads, except we use a VPN connection. Even if your country is not on the list, there are methods to get past this restriction and start making money on YouTube. First, changing the location settings in your YouTube studio is one of the first actions you can perform. This will get rid of the notification that states your country or area isn't supported for YouTube monetization. Nevertheless, this does not automatically qualify you for monetization. Although it might be difficult and time-consuming, it is feasible to make money on YouTube. Meeting YouTube's eligibility standards, which include having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of viewing time in the previous 12 months, is one of the essential conditions for getting monetized. However, some creators may find it difficult to commercialize their content on YouTube, especially if they reside in a country that is not included in the list of countries that support YouTube monetization and are unsure of their options. Your Google AdSense account is among the most crucial requirements for YouTube monetization. As a payment option for YouTube, Google AdSense receives your profits from YouTube and confirms them before delivering them to you. It is a long process to set up Google AdSense since you have to verify your address, identity, and payment method. If you are in a country where getting verified is complicated because there are no house address or postal office to receive your verification PIN, you can ask your relatives who living in nations such as the US, UK, or Canada to assist you in setting up your Google AdSense account. If you don't have, then no need to worry. Just take your time and look for a postal office in your country. Once your Google AdSense account is set up, you can begin working toward fulfilling the requirements for the YouTube Partner Program. Keep in mind that if you had your AdSense account set up in a different country, your bank account in which you will link to it should be created in that country as well. You must link your Google AdSense account in order to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. This is a crucial step in the procedure since it enables YouTube to confirm your account and make sure you qualify for revenue. Make sure your Google AdSense account is in good standing and that the information you have supplied is correct and current. You may begin making money from your material as soon as you are accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. You may monetize your content in a variety of ways, such as through advertisements, sponsorships, product sales, and more. You should have a clear monetization strategy in place in order to optimize your profits and create a long-term revenue source from your content. You may make money from your passion thanks to YouTube monetization, which is one of the main advantages. Many content producers have been able to successfully launch companies on YouTube, earning a sizable revenue from their work. But you must keep in mind that selling your YouTube material takes a lot of effort, commitment, and persistence. To develop a following and provide material that connects with your audience, it takes time. Additionally, it's critical to check that your work complies with the terms of service and community rules on YouTube. If you violate YouTube's rigorous policies against inappropriate or offensive content, your channel may lose revenue or potentially be suspended. It's crucial to become familiar with these guidelines and make sure your material adheres to them. In conclusion, building a great YouTube channel requires time and effort, but with the appropriate tactics and attitude, it is possible to succeed and transform your hobby into a lucrative company. Thank you for watching and see you soon.